What do you think of Arse future projects?
I think
How is it going?
we're gonna skyrocket.
Yeah.
We're gonna hit it big time. I've never seen such skill.
In the future, people are going to go, have you heard of DreamWorks?
And they'll be like,
And they're going to be, no,
It's all about Arsenal.
Arse the microwave.
Yeah, just works out. I mean, we can't fail. There's no way, because our quality is just DreamWorks down here. We're working on the next level. We're kind of avant-garde animation. People might complain at first, but eventually we'll batter them so much that they just have to let it in and accept it. You know
It's
what I
kind of like brainwashing.
mean? Yeah, we're basically going to brainwash everyone into liking our animations. That's a very good comparison you've made. We are the ISIS of animation.
This is day 7 of the apocalypse. Oh, I'm so alone. And Antoine's dead. I haven't seen him for weeks. I mean, it started with Arse in the microwave. They drew a zombie and it came to life. The animation was just such a high quality. I don't know what to do, man.
I'm